When you start, you don't have a marketing team. And if you have a marketing team in your investor side that can support you in campaigns, in producing events, in understanding how you pitch, it already gives you some kind of lead over probably any other company that doesn't have this type of support.
We were very young and did not have an internal marketing team. Getting us in front of the right journalists, both in Israel and abroad, was highly impactful.
Wild Ventures helped us with the marketing in the early stages because we simply didn't have that role and definitely not the expertise.
It's like a one-stop shop for everything around launching a new company.
Any event that Weil eventually had produced led directly to lead generation for our pipeline.
After our seed round, Weil actually put across multiple outlets an amazing PR that, frankly, if you look back in history, you'll see that that was our best PR.
Talking to reporters, understanding how to answer, what to answer, how to even construct a project, like launch is a project that you need to manage, what are the tasks that you need to complete as part of this effort.
Almost like an in-house CMO that could help us through the thought process, and then through execution, people that are expert in their area.
Our ability to tell the story of what we deliver to the market, what kind of problem we solve, was very, very important to nail down correctly. And YLV helped us with advisors and very experienced go-to-market advice on how to message correctly when we launch.
Wild Ventures pushed us to build our brand for a very early stage. Everyone knew that there is a company in Israel called Hunters and that they were doing cool stuff.